Thank you very much for giving us this golden opportunity. So, we would like to perform a conversation about two strangers. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Hi,
Hello. What's your name?
my name is Lekha Verma. And you, your name?
My name is Neha. Where do you live?
I live in Abrodi.
How where?
Abrodi.
Okay, I don't know where is it.
It's a village.
Okay, so how do you come here?
I come here with my scooty.
Okay, so how far is it from Dubai?
Um, it is about 5 kilometers.
Okay, so how much time it takes to go there?
15 minutes
15
of drive.
Okay. So where is your hometown?
My hometown is Saint Apoli.
Where do you live? So, is it? So,
Yes, you can ask.
I can ask.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your hobby?
My hobbies are dancing, painting, and reading books.
Speak loud.
Would you like to show demo?
Of course,
Okay, speak loud, please. Speak loud.
Okay, so you like dancing, I think, huh?
yeah.
Can you dance?
No, here now. No.
You have only you can show dance.
No, I can sing
Sing. Okay, sing. Which type of song do you like?
all types.
Okay. Okay, so sing it.
Yes.
Sing. I will dance.
I want to sing Asiki to Homes.
Oh, okay, sing.
तुम भी ये मुझको बता दे चाहूँ मैं या ना, अपनी तो दिल का बता दे चाहूँ मैं या ना, इतना बता दे मुझको no, sorry.
इतना बता दे मुझको चाहत में अपनी तुझको
दिल तो नहीं तैयार फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने अब जो मैं अब मैं बताऊंगी पूछूं तुझे एक बार
ये मुझको बता दे चाहूँ मैं या ना, अपनी तो दिल का बता दे चाहूँ मैं क्यों ना. Okay, you sing very nicely. So, do you have any more hobbies?
drawing and painting.
Okay, you will learn dance.
No, I can't.
So, are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay, so can you tell me about your family?
Ours is a small nuclear family. There are 5 members in our family. My father, my mother, and 2 elder sisters beside my son.
Okay, can you communicate in English fluently?
I'm just learning.
That's great. So, where you are learning this? Where are you learning this English?
I'm learning advanced spoken English class like
Okay, so who is the teacher?
uh,
Can you advise?
my teachers is Mr. D.K. Bhandari.
Oh, I know him. I have learned from him. Okay, so can you tell me anything about yourself? Anything what you want or what's your aim in your life?
I want to become a teacher.
Teacher,
And
that's really great.
I am interested in aerospace.
Aerospace. Oh wow. It was my dream actually. That's great. So do you have any question from me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from the library.
Okay. And what is your educational qualification?
My education qualification. I'm doing now first year of BCom and I've just completed my schooling from Cheroda.
What is your subject?
My subject is commerce.
And where did you do your schooling?
I have done at Cheroda. I have to hobbies are to go to new places and to learn new things. And really miss myself.
Which game do you like? Which game do you like?
Actually, I like indoor game, and in that I like chess.
Chess. Okay. Last time when you played?
I did not play it so many times, so I've played at school only in 2018 and 13th of December.
Uh,
There was a competition between the friends, so I remember the date also.
okay. So, do you have any awards or medals?
No, actually, school was not conducting this competition, so I have so many medals in dancing and singing, debate and all, but not in the chess because there was no conduction of any chess game.
Can you tell me about your interest or anything you like?
Oh, I was so much interested in air hostess, but unfortunately I did not become so. Now my aim is to become teacher only, as like you. I also like singing and dancing. I have won so many awards in dancing and debate. I like to do speech, or you can say I like to give any seminar, or I like to present any topics behind anyone. So it's like just if I would get any chance to say, I would love to say that. About anything. I like to say anything or give speech and all.
Can you tell me about your favorite place?
Favorite place? Actually, my favorite place is Agra. I did not go there, but I would like to go with my family there. It's too good actually. Actually, I am not interested in the white Taj Mahal. I am interested in the black Taj Mahal. That is not built up. It was just started, and that Shah Jahan was in the jail. That's why I want to see that. It's too different, I know.
And can you tell me about your favorite actresses or
Actresses,
singers?
no one actually. I don't like anyone.
Why?
I don't know, but I don't like them.
So can you have any question for me?
No, I don't have. Okay. That's all about our conversation. Thank